How to link Venmo to Cash App in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to link Venmo to Cash App. It's not something difficult at all, it's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to link Venmo to Cash App, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your Venmo app and open it, okay? Alright, so after opening your Venmo app, you just need to go to settings, okay? So you just need to click on settings and after go and click on payment methods. Okay, so you're gonna find add card or bank, you just need to click on it and then click on card or select card. Okay, so here you need to enter all the info about your Cash App card, so it could be linked to your Venmo, okay? You just need to take the information about your card of Cash App and put it here and you're gonna be able to link Venmo to Cash App. As I told you guys, it's not something difficult at all, it's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to link Venmo to Cash App. Okay, that would be it and I will see you in the next video.